Yeah.
Pour 1 cup of cashews into the blender, and then toss in your garlic. We throw in about a half cup of water to blend the cashews. Now we blend until smooth. And after putting our cashews in a bowl, we add our spices. That's a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of chives. And then our salt. And finally, we add our umami, just 1/2 teaspoon, and about 1/2 cup of yeast flakes. Now we mix it all up. And now we cut our tofu blocks. This would serve as our fish fillets. Now in a baking pan, just enough to coat the bottom, we're applying soy sauce. And this is for the tofu so that we could get it salty, since we're not really marinating it in salt. And now we layer the tofu onto the tray. It's also a good idea to flip them so that both sides of the tofu get coated in soy sauce. And now we're spreading the cashew mixture on top of each tofu fillet. And as a final touch, generously sprinkle yeast flakes onto each fillet. And now we bake for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. And now for the finished product, baked mock tilapia.